Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to enable color name and answer on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. After click on answering and ending calls, you will see read color name allowed is here. Click on read color name allowed if you want to enable color name and answer. So turn on this button. After turn on this button, read color name allowed button is enabled. After turn on this button, you will see color name and answer is enabled. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable color name and answer on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.